All right, this is number 3 from homework 8.3 day 2, finding the horizontal asymptote. So remember there's both vertical and horizontal. And for the horizontal ones, you want to use the MN chart. Okay, so what that looks like is basically M and N are the highest exponents. So if we go back to our example, M is actually 0. So some people would say it's like 5 to the first, but the exponent has to be for a variable. So since 5 is a constant, there's really no variable up here. So it's just M is 0. In the denominator, that exponent is 1. Highest exponent is 1. So now we just look at our chart. And basically here, M is less than N. So the horizontal asymptote is Y equals 0, or the x-axis. Right, so that's all we got to do here is horizontal asymptote is Y equals 0. Right, and that's it. Just use the little chart. So, and really what this is telling us is graphically, when we plot this thing, it's going to have a horizontal asymptote right here. That's the line right there of Y equals 0. Right, that's really the point of this, is eventually we'll graph, and hopefully we know now that there's horizontal asymptote right there. All right, that's it. Thanks for watching.